Good morning, students. Here we are starting with machine learning. So first of all, we will discuss how do machines learn. The algorithm will be learned further. So here the basic machine learning process can be divided into three parts: data input, abstraction and generalization. Input, data, abstraction and generalization. What are they? Basically by data input we mean that the past data or information is utilized as a basis for future decision making. Well, what does this mean? That the past data or information is utilized as a basis for future decision making. This means that every data which is used in past will be utilized in the future decision making. Okay, like it is used as an experience, it is used as an experience in the field of data. Okay, and taking data input. Abstraction: the input data is represented in a broader way through the underlying algorithm. So the abstraction means that when we are inputting the data, then we are making it abstract. Generalization means the abstracted representation is generalized to a framework for making decisions. Okay, the abstracted representation, first of all डेटा को इनपुट किया जाता है, उसके बाद उसको एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फेज में डाला जाता है, उसके बाद फिर उसको जनरलाइजेशन किया जाता है. ओके, सो द एब्स्ट्रैक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज जनरलाइज्ड. So whatever the abstracted representation we get from abstraction part, it is further generalized to form a framework for making decisions. Figure 1.2 is a systematic representation of machine learning process: input data, abstraction, generalization. So this is the pictorial representation of whatever we have learned, that how do the machine learns. Firstly, it takes the input data, then it makes it abstract, and then it is made to be generalized. In further videos, we will be learning detailed about every part of this, that how do machines learn in detail, in depth. So stay tuned, guys.